Hey guys, Marco from Auto Magicians here. I just wanted to take some time today and go over this damage on this Mercedes B250. If you're from the GTA, you know we got a lot of condos here. It's a very common problem to have a little bit of a scrape with a pole. There's small spaces, you can't blame anybody, it just happens. So if you want to kind of have a look here, I'll sort of break down how we estimate this sort of thing here at the shop. So if you look, got a little bit of damage on this quarter panel. Also what we call the dog leg. A little bit of paint transfer as well, and this came off the pole or the post or whatever it was that he hit. Also on the door's a little bit sunken in too, but not too bad. Most of the damage is within this dog leg. If you want to come a little closer, you can see the inside is slightly crushed in. So chances are we will have to paint the inside of this pillar here, but no big deal. We pull the metal out, do a little bit of body work, and we should be able to straighten this out pretty good. Also, if you see the door is slightly pushed in. Nothing crazy, it's definitely repairable. Some shops might opt to want to replace something like this, but here it's not too bad. The line is pretty much straight here, the line of the door. And on the inside, there's just a slight, if you want to come in a little bit closer, you can see the slight crack in the paint there. So we will most likely have to, we will have to repaint the inside of this door as well. Aside from the metal work, the body work, and the paint, you can keep the whole repair basically within the quarter panel and the door. Obviously the handles come out, yeah, it's pretty straightforward in that sense. Okay, so for something like this, you can expect a range of between $1,500 and $2,500 Canadian. Obviously, that depends on the amount of body work that needs to be done. It depends on the color. This one is black, so you know this would be on the lower end. Pearls are a little more expensive. There's a few other factors that might play in the pricing. In terms of time, you're probably looking at about 3 to 4 days, maybe 5 if we're pushing it, depending on how much work needs to be done. But within 5 days, $1,500 to $2,500, that's a realistic expectation. So that's it for this one. If you have any questions or you want a free estimate, please feel free to stop by, send us an email or call. Also check out our website and check us out on Instagram. That's it for today. See you in the next one.